Our resources aren't unlimited, and something is only garbage, it's only waste when we have declared it so. It doesn't have to be. It still has value and it still has potential. Through our store, workshops, and community initiatives, Resource Depot fosters creative reuse of items that would otherwise be discarded with the aim of promoting a shift in consumer habits to reduce waste in our community.
We have artists coming through, we have teachers, we have programs dedicated to kids. If you want to shop or if you want to be creative and you need an outlet, it allows us to just be a treasure in this community, giving artists life, giving students life, and giving everyone a sense of creative community and reuse.
What we do is attempt to gather and redistribute materials so that they are not wasted, and get people to think differently and act differently.
This is just a really great resource for our community to take advantage of, because there's nothing really similar to it in our area.
Here at the Resource Depot, I believe that we're creating things out of things that some people might see as things that wouldn't have any use, and we're making them useful. Going to kids that have a creative mind, and I believe that like most kids have a creative mind, and this is like a really good place to enhance that and discover that.
All across the board, anyone can really come to Resource Depot and find something that could benefit them in some way in their lives.
We feel really lucky to have something like Resource Depot here. And I know it's difficult to necessarily explain all of the good things that you can find here, but that's the creative part of creative reuse, right? And it's also the exceptional part. You want something different, you want inspiration that's different, you're gonna find it here.
Unfortunately, we live in a throwaway society, but reuse is a major part of what we do. In general, we want people to just be mindful of their waste. So that includes from when you're making a purchase all the way through to the end of its life cycle.
Environmental problems are positioned to us in a global scale, because I mean they are, but it leaves you with feeling like, well, what can I do? What's one person? But really, that's how you start thinking about your personal impact and how you can become a more mindful consumer.
I have seen people's light switches be turned on when they walk in here. The beauty of this place is it really helps provide that perspective that you can turn waste into wonder if you've not had that experience.
I love bringing new people to Resource Depot and seeing how excited they are about their mission and everything that they have here that they can use in their daily lives. So they can change the way that you think of what you're buying every single day.
I think it's one thing to tell people that they should buy better or should waste less or you should be recycling more or reducing your use of things. But when there's this hands-on connection to it, it really resonates. And so when somebody participates in any number of our programs, whether it's like a deep dive into a really long workshop or they're creating something amazing and learning from some of our teaching artists, or it's simply coming through and finding something that oh, I'm gonna paint this and it's brand new to me. I mean, all of those experiences are really internalizing that value system that we're hoping to instill in everyone.
We just have so much to give to this community, and I hope you come visit Resource Depot.